Here's a cold start on the Ryobi Cs26.
Alright, today I'm going to be making a video, well, a startup. Like I said, I would be making a video of a startup of the Ryobi Cs26. And it's a string trimmer. You can put different attachments on it. Unscrew this and put different attachments. But it hasn't been working, but I tried starting it, but it wouldn't, so let's just say I tried fixing it today, but that was a few hours ago. So let's do a cold start. So yeah, have a speed feed head, and yeah, let's do the stove cart. Cold start. All right, here's the cold start. Full choke, prime it. Half choke.
Thank you for watching this video. In the video, well, my last video, I know I said that that I fixed the trimmer, and I did, but I said, well, it's not working, but I just didn't want to waste the time that I could be using my time by mowing the yard and getting the yard done. So, like I said, I'll do a startup, and here it is. Thank you for watching, like, comment, and subscribe.